Here, this is part 2 of my project where I'm going to execute the SQL queries which I have written, and I'm just using MySQL workbench, and you can see the ER diagram here. And let me jump into the MySQL. Okay, here we go. So I've just opened a query here, and I made sure that everything is written as of now so that I can come here and execute. So this is the new schema which we have, and these are the tables which we have. Okay, so let me, before jumping here, I will also tell you how I did the data, how I inserted the data. I made an Excel sheet where I was able to give all the input data, and I inserted these data table by table into the schema, and so we can even verify using those things. And okay, let me go with the first English query. So list down different payment modes and how many riders are using it. Okay, there are 3 different payment mode and 99 riders are using it. Okay, let me go and check if there is any other way. No. Okay, for example, I will go here, go to the payment preference. So there are 3 payment methods. So yeah, and how many riders made more than one booking? 61 riders. And total number of drivers registers whose license is not expired. This is an easy query, so I just need to put the license expiry date greater than now. That's it. So maybe we can say, like, even we can change the way it is when the column header is. So for example, as active drivers. Okay, and I will try to execute again. What happened? Sorry, I made a mistake. I should have a bit of space. Okay. Yeah. So now we are able to see active driver. So this is one of the way you can have an hold on how the column is going to look like, and how many students are registered. There are 46 female and 55 male. And let's move on to the next query. What are the different majors students registered from? So there are 5 different majors these students are from. What is the highest amount received in the payment so far? So just put the max amount. No, select the max amount as dollars. So 49.92. So let me check if it is right. So let's go to the Excel sheet from where we pull the data, and let's jump onto the payment. So here is the list of payments which they have received. So I'll just select all the thing and click max. Yeah, so you can see the maximum is 49.92. So our query is right and it's consistent. Okay, let's go to the next one. List the name of students who are both riders and drivers. There's only one student, Nicole Everter. And how many students are not residents of USA? There are 91 students who are not residents of USA. So these queries are basically written from the administrative perspective, and one who is going to monitor and check what's happening in the system, and is it everything is going fine or not. So all those things. So a person who is a staff or a faculty, probably an admin, would be interested in these queries. Okay, list down the drivers who have not been assigned any trips so far. So these two people are very unfortunate. Let's go to the next query. List the riders who prefer cash mode of payment. There are a lot of riders who prefer cash mode of payment in this tech world. Find the sum of payments which are still in pending state. There's only one payment, no, it's a sum of payments. So total payment pending is this 65.35. I'm just adding all these things. This is a computed way of saying this. Okay, list the driver who got a very poor rating. These two drivers, where rating is 1. Okay, and then list students info who are riders and are from India. These many riders. And next one, list drivers who have multiple vehicles assigned. These are the two drivers who have multiple vehicles assigned. I'm interested to know who has more experience, more than 7 years experience. David and Vincent. These two people are having more experience. And how many have cancelled their booking so far? 8. Okay, how many are 18 plus? 98 people. Okay, what are the destination which is from the source, which is greater than 40? Greenville, Hugo, Sulphur Spring, these things, from campus. I know Greenville is not 40, but these are just for educational purpose. And next one is different types of vehicle used that has more than two seating capacity. And these are the vehicle IDs. How many rides are booked with destination as Greenville? 3 people. 3 rides. Yeah, so we have now explained about how the 20 queries perform. You are able to see it in the real time, and I'm just using my SQL workbench, and I was able to do and plot the ER for the same. Thank you very much.